Hello everyone, welcome back again to PPT Template channel. In this channel you can learn all about tutorials and download designs using PowerPoint. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe PPT Template channel. In this video, I will show how to change all the fonts of the presentation. Let's start. Click View. Click Slide Master. Click Fonts and select font. What do you want? All font change at once. Click. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to learn new updated videos about PowerPoint tutorials from PPT Template channel. Thanks for watching.